Hello, this is Kelly Richens, and this is just my brief overview of the assignment for active learning that I've created inside of my Canvas course. So here's what it looks like, okay? So at the beginning of the class, the students are going to create a blog that they will then maintain with information that they have researched throughout the semester. So just kind of that's where this assignment is headed. So this first assignment to kind of get them started is the why the blog. Why are we doing this? What is its purpose? And so this video that I have embedded kind of goes over the why of the video, the purposes behind it. And it also gives an overview of the directions that they are going to have for the assignment. So I'll just stop talking. You can hear just a tiny bit.
Hey everybody, this is Mrs. Richens. All right, I wanted to just do a video recording of the directions about this assignment for the blog that you're going to start on this week, and that will be an ongoing assignment really the entire semester.
Okay, so that's where I go over everything with them. And then you can see right here embedded into the assignment, after they watch it, the video, then they need to go to the online article that I source, and there's the link, and then they are going to identify the one quote from that section that they want to discuss that resonated with them. And then in addition to that, they will then, because the blog is designed around their research paper that they're going to complete at the end of the semester. So in addition to their own blog that they are creating and the posts that they will find, they are going to research and find a blogger who is posting academic information on their chosen topic. Okay, so I give the example, I want to do my research paper on the validity of online education in a high school setting. Okay, so and then I show them, I Google like best education blogs, and then I go through and I find one that's specific to my particular topic. So then I'm just going to post the URL for that and who creates it. So that's the third part of the assignment. That's included in the directions and then down below as well. And then there's a rubric that I've included for the assignment so that they can see the specific breakdown of how the points are being assessed. So that's my assignment. Okay. Thanks so much.